Hello everyone! Welcome again to our channel. Sorry, ang pangit ng boses ko. Malamig na kasi dito ngayon. So, nakita niyo yung Christmas hat ko. Yun, so tonight, so time check, it's already 12:45 a.m. And we will going to decorate our Christmas tree in the house at the same time for Christmas. Kasi ilang araw, siguro mga 2 days na, lagi namin sinasabi sa mga bata kasi nag-aas sila, when are we going to decorate for Christmas? So, sabi nga namin, ang pangit ng boses ko, sabi nga namin na Santa Claus will come and he will be the one to decorate the house nga. So, pinatulog na muna sila, and then sabi ko matulog kayo kasi bukas paggising nyo, naka-decorate na yung house. So, wala kaming choice for 2 nights or 2 days na nag-promise kami sa kanila. So, ngayon, ayan, nag-start na kaming maglagay ng mga tawag ito, yung mga ganyan. So, ngayon, ayan, eto na, as of now, eto na siya. So, yung Christmas tree, wala pang decorations. Yung iba na sa boxes pa lahat. Ayan. So, wala pa kaming decorations ngayon. So, samahan nyo kami while we are going to decorate the house for Christmas. And then, bukas also, we will going to see what will be the reaction. Kung ano yung magiging reaction lang pag nakita nila na naka-decorate na nga. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami. Bye! Thank you! So, ayan. So, yung mga poinsettias pa lang ang nailagay ko. Alam nyo ba na ang Christmas tree na ito is, how many feet it is, babe? Ha, babe? 4.5. 4.5 feet, yeah. And 4.5 feet. Tapos, no, I don't think it's 4.5. See, it's higher than, siguro mga 5 feet. And etong Christmas tree nito is since 2003. Galing siya ng Oman. Kasi yung asawa ko dati is from Oman. I mean, like, nag-work siya dati sa Oman. And then, yan, pinapadala niya dito. And since 2003, imagine that. At etong mga decorations, etong mga balls na to, etong pagkakaalam ko, matagal na rin to. It was din Oman also, no?
Yes.
Yeah, it was in 2003. Yung iba is medyo brittle na. Actually, hindi to yosi. Pag ginaganyan mo siya, nakakrack na siya. Yan. Pero still, nagamit pa rin namin last year. Tapos, etong iba, yung mga ganitong decorations, yung iba last 2 years, yung iba last year, yun, talagang kinip namin. Tapos, eto, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Kung ano-ano yan. Eto din, eto from Oman din, tsaka etong Nativity from Oman din, 2003. Ayan, tapos eto lang yung binili niya kanina. Kanina ba? Oo, kanina binili niya. Ayan. Pero other than that, yung iba is talagang luma na. Pero nagagamit pa rin siya. Ayan. Ayan, hindi pa tapos. So, samahan nyo kami at tatapusin natin yung decorations na to. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you, babe. So, ayan na siya. Sobrang matagal na talaga to. 2003 pa. Ayan. Gumagana pa siya. Snowflakes. May snowflakes. Ayan. So, ayan na yung aming Belen. Yung Nativity. Ayan. Feeling ko hindi namin matatapos ngayon to kasi nakakapagod talaga na. Nakakaantok na. Ang importante is yung Christmas tree na lang. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ang Christmas lights na. Okay, so yung ating Christmas tree. Ayan na. Let's see. We'll light it. Come on, babe. Turn on the light. Ayan na siya. I'm so happy na. Parang dapat sila maging happy. Ako yung naging happy. Ayan. Ayan na yung ating Christmas tree. Wala pa siyang star. So, sila yung maglalagay ng star bukas. Ayan. So, bukas na yung ating tawag dito. Yung iba, bukas na lang namin tatapusin. Yan pa, ang dami pa. Hindi pa namin natapos. So, ayan. So, at least bukas, pag nakita nila is magiging happy na sila kasi pumunta si Santa Claus para mag-decorate ng Christmas tree. So, ayan. So, titignan natin bukas kung ano yung maging reaction nila. At ano pa yung tatapusin muna na. At yung iba, tatapusin din namin siguro bukas na lang din. Pagtulog sila sa hapon. Ayan. What is this? Come here. Come here. What? Hey?
Dada. Dada.
Why did you call Dada? Baba, come here. Josh, what happened? What is this?
Mom, no have stars.
Yeah, you and baby will put the stars.
What's the star?
Huh? See, what is this now?
Huh?
What is this?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Oh, this is not close.
Huh?
Look.
I was telling the Christmas tree, not the boxes. Come on. See the Christmas tree there now. Come on. See here. See the Christmas tree. You like the Christmas tree? And the stars are there. You like the Christmas tree?
Baby, see your piece of.
Hey, you like the Christmas tree?
Baby,
Huh?
yes. There, baby, there. Look. Oh, this is up. Baby. Santa will put this yet.
Huh?
Santa will put this yet.
Yeah, Santa is tired. He didn't put yet.
Baby, did the stars. Did the stars.
Santa is not finished, baby, yet.
Well, look there.
He makes so much mess.
Well, look here.
Wow. See, I'll show you also.
Look, my princess go falling down.
Oops, don't touch that. It's snowflakes.
The flakes.
See?
Yes, so is this one.
See here, you like it? You like it? Baby, you like it? Josh, you like it?
Yeah.
Wow. What you will tell Santa?
Look, all this up.
Baby, what you will tell Santa?
Santa, what's the presents?
Huh?
The presents you got.
What?
The presents.
What present he got? Santa, what present you got? What? Where's your present? He said he is coming back and he will going to give you a present. Okay.
We need to open this.
Did you hear what I said? Santa Claus said he will come back to give you presents. Okay? Huh?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. But again, he will come back to finish this stuff. Baby, he will finish it again. He will come back.
That?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Josh, what is that?
Putting down.
You're putting that?
Mommy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Slide. It's cute.
It's cute, huh?
Look, the bell's
What is it?
nine.
It's
Cute.
It's cute, like you.
No, that's the bell.
Yeah, there's a bell and these are snowflakes.
And there's cherries on it.
And there are cherries. Wow.
Wow. look.
Josh, you like it?
Yeah.
What you will tell Santa Claus? Tell me what you'll tell Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Yeah. What you'll tell? May mundo. Say thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Hi, Santa Claus.
Don't forget my present.
Cherries.
Huh? I can't hear.
Mom, cherries.
Oh, there's a cherries. Come on, put the cherries again. Put the cherries here. So, eto na. Tapos na namin yung decorations. May mga minor na ano na lang gagawin. But so far, natapos na rin namin. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Josh, come here. So, you like the decoration?
Yeah.
You like Santa's decoration?
Yeah. Yes. And Santa gives the presents.
Where's Santa's present?
Over there.
Where?
They taking look this present for the Santa look.
Okay.
Oh, Santa this is.
Okay, then. And?
This is for the TV. Look, TV.
Okay, so greet everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Look at here. Merry Christmas, everyone. Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Look at here when you say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
How about you? Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Come here. So, I hope you all enjoy. Napakasimple yung decoration namin. But, actually, hindi naman talaga, tawag dito, yung sa decoration. Oh my God, sabi ko na nga ba sa inyo, diba? Talagang siyan, tignan nyo, unti-unti mawawala na yung nativity namin. Hindi na namin alam kung saan nakapwesto yung iba. Yan ang nangyayari dyan, yan. So, it's not about, the Christmas is not about the decorations. It's not about kung kailangan fancy decorations or hindi. It's not about that. Yung Christmas is, if you are happy, if you're with your family, it's all about loving and sharing. So, hindi kailangan ng mga ganito. So, we are doing this because we have kids and alam nyo naman yung tradition sa atin, di ba, that meron tayong tawag dito, yung since mali tayo is meron talagang Christmas tree, ganyan-ganyan. So, dahil may mga bata, syempre, it is always, baby, come here. Si ba, di ba, nakikita nyo kung ano mangyayari. Kasi alam nyo lang ang mangyayari after that, di ba? Stop shaking it! It will turn on. So, ayan ang mga nagaganap ngayon sa bahay. Tapos, yung sa Christmas tree naman, tatanggalin dito, lalagay dyan. Ganyan ang mga nangyayari ngayon. So, ayun. So, yun nga sabi ko, it's not about, yung mga fancy decoration. So, since we have kids, so, alam mo yung feelings, yung masaya sila pag nakita nila yung mga ginagawa namin. So, yung nakita nila decoration, alam nila yung Christmas, alam nila yung, kasi sa kanila is, alam nila yung Christmas is about Santa Claus, about gifts, decorations, mayroong Christmas tree, ganyan. So, ganyan lang. So, it doesn't mean na kailangan talaga na meron tayong magandang dekorasyon, ganyan. And we don't spend so much for this also dahil ito yung mga ilang years na rin namin ginagamit. So, ayan lang. So, I hope everyone will be happy and everyone we're going to have a Merry Christmas. So, advance Merry Christmas to everyone, I hope. And I hope that you enjoy our videos. Napasaya namin kayo, napasmile namin kayo sa mga ginawa namin. So, take care and God bless sa lahat po. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!